Hey, welcome back everybody, Sign here again with another episode of my Forever Factory playthrough. This thing is constantly just filling up. Let's go 40 buckets there. Alright, well that's actually 120 buckets, but, 40 emeralds worth. Wasn't paying attention to that, and this over here shut down because it had nowhere to put fluid. So, got it back up and running now. That's working fine. I want to get a reactor running, so let's work on that today. I should probably redo my power system a bit. Okay, so yeah. At least we have a backstop of fluid now, which is great. But I need to set up my power system a little more intelligently. So I'm thinking we need, well, a creative one would be great. We need probably an ultimate energy cube, which I should be able to make. I mean, I do have enriched diamond and obsidian, all that fun stuff. So let me get that in here. So what do we have for alloys? Right. Oop. Okay, now look at you again. I need 4 of these. I'm going to need one more piece of this refined obsidian. Okay. But for now, give me 4 of these. Also, basic tier installer. That was a quest, so. And this was refined obsidian dust and blitz powder. Do I have any refined obsidian left in here? Oh, yeah. There we go. All right, fun times ahead. I need to definitely get a lot of automation taken care of for this stuff, but that can wait until I get a reactor up and running, because it's going to require a lot of power once everything's in full swing, and I think I'm going to have to stop using the immersive engineering wires for everything, because just they can only handle 4096 at max. And some mechanism machines can produce and use a lot more than that, especially when they're max upgraded. And the reactor's going to probably produce more than that as well. So I want the energy cube, because this thing will be able to handle left shift and N for details. Okay, that's it. I think you can handle like 100,000 architect or something like that. You can handle a lot more power than the accumulators can. All right, so we need a basic energy cube. So we need 2 energy tablets. I'm gonna need a lot of energy tablets actually, aren't I? Because every tier, I need 2 more, right? So I need like 6 more. I don't think I have enough reinforced enough alloy for that. Oh no, I do. Oh, sweet. That makes things easier. Yeah, let's put that away for now. And so, advanced. We want the elite. And then the ultimate. And boom, there we go. Let's see. Probably just go ahead and shove it over here. There we go. We're filling up with power now. And the accumulators are all full. Let me just go ahead and get another plug. Pretty sure I'm going to need a flux block. And we'll just set you up here on the main power line. And you're not currently doing anything. This is the front then. Okay. So let me do like that, right? Let's see. Now that's going to fill up. Plus we've got gargantuan flux storage with 128 million, so we should be doing pretty good. We'll have a 250 million RF stored up once everything's full. Okay, there you go. I was going to say, why are you not running? You should be. All right, so I got the reactor built, and I put together a basic reactor. I was like, okay, great. I like how this looks. Went to activate it, it was too tall. Basic reactors can't be more than 5 blocks in any dimension. So I said, stuff it, and, you know, reinforced is a thing, right? Oh, interesting, you actually crapped them back. I didn't realize that part. But it's just steel, graphite, and iron block, so I mean, it was a bit spendy, but oh well, worth it. So let's see. Extraction, retrieval, and you're going to be retrieving uranium ingots for me. Oop, there it goes, and it just disappeared. Look over here, 0.75% full. 25 fuel rods. So this should produce a pretty decent amount of power, but I'm not worried about the power at the moment. I mean, the power will be handy, yes, but I am more interested in... Let's see, where is... I don't have any pipes right here, do I? I got these pipes here. Okay. Let me hook you guys up. I'm more interested in the cyanite right now, because I need to make that reprocessor, and that's going to require a lot of cyanite, because that is a relatively big machine. All right, let's see. It won't be showing up in there, it'll be showing up in here. Yep, we are getting uranium. Now, I need iron. And I've got it set up, so my system will automatically export deep slate iron ore into a squeezer, mechanical squeezer from Integrated Dynamics. And the reason why for deep slate is because that's what this one here will give me. So we can get you turned on, let you run for a while. You know, just that, and fall through the floor. I also hooked up, I got 5 pulverizers here, so that way we can do, let's see, I don't need that, but we can do the different blends anyway. And each one's got a retrieval. It's pulling in Basal's powder so they run faster. And then the first two are to make the different dusts that we need. You know, blaze powder. And this one is copper and silver. This one is tin and lead. And then this one is right now just diamond. I don't have anything else there. I could have done something different and ran everything through the same pulverizer. But honestly, pulverizers are not that expensive. Not compared to, like, say, mechanism. So. And I just figured it would be nicer if I could have things running in parallel and whatnot. All right, you stop that. It keeps, because there's multiple pulverizers asking for Basal's powder, it keeps doing that. Popping up 3 of them. Did I set you to... You're just making wheat. Okay. Just want to make sure I didn't have like a duplicate blaze powder recipe. All right then. Let's see what else we can get going over here. You are 60% full. All right, cool. Let's turn you on and see what you produce, right? There's our casing heat. We get a flux plug back here now, and we're gonna set that to generators. And you're not doing anything right now. It's actually not producing power. It is, I'm guessing, trying to produce steam. Which means we're going to need a turbine to get power out of this thing. Avoid all reactants. Yeah, no, I'll not click that button. Thank you. I put all my concrete away. Dang it. Oh, I'll patch that up later. So over here then, we're going to need water, and that pipe is like right in the bad spot. Yeah, I got tired of messing with ladders, so I put a couple elevators down. I need to get a few more in, but got one over here, and there's one over next to the pressure tank as well. How's our cyanite? Have I gotten a piece of cyanite yet? We're still at 4, so no. Okay. Well, there's 2 pieces of concrete. I need a third one, though. And I'm curious, do the sinks work? Do they work as intended in this pack? I can't remember if I tried it yet or not. Well, it's got water in it, so that might be a hint. Oh yeah, they work. Okay, great. How am I going to work this? How expensive is the turbine stuff? Right, if I want... That's basic turbine housing. Reinforced, it requires cyanite. Of course it does. So does the basic one. Great. Me. Reactor. Moderators. Okay. Like, say, bucket of water. Will you work as a moderator? Doesn't really look like it. I mean, I did fill this thing full of water, but... Special tooltip you can see if you want to spoil yourself and you have the advanced tooltips enabled. Okay. Can I just like search up moderator? What is this? Should be searching tags as well, right? But 3H. Here we go. Oh, okay. Can be used as a radiation moderator inside a reactor. All right, cool. That is good to know. The water does work just fine. Let's see. You are input. So we're going to need fluid pipe there. Probably going to ahead and make some mechanism ones because they can get... Once I get them upgraded all the way, they are extremely fast. I don't know why I went the long way around like that, but okay. Mechanical pipe. Did I seriously not have any buckets in there? Oh, no, there it is. It just took a while to send. Okay, you know what? Here, let's... I'm going to be needing a lot of buckets in the future, so... So you can go there, and then we're going to need a... I need pipe wrench from Pretty Pipes as well. I need a configurator. There you are. We're good, and we come over to here now, and... Oh, it's, yeah, still running, so it's just converting it straight to heat. I need better pipes. You know what? Here, you can turn off for now. And... go ahead and get one of you. It's taking forever for that bucket to show up. Where is it sending my buckets to that they're that far away? Okay, cool. I do actually have some of the reinforced alloys left. Let's go with elite for now, because I know I don't have any atomic alloy. Alright. Actually, what was it? Okay. That. We'll do that. And the other thing I want to do is I want to get a trash can. So I need to make more bacon sandwiches. Let's see, how much bacon do I have here? 52, okay, so... got 14 bread. I don't have a recipe for bread. I do for dough, though. We'll just do that. And... trash can. Blue trash can. Blue one. Yeah, look, another bucket. Yeah, I want to know where it's sending the buckets to. It's taking a long time for them to show up. They should be going into the barrels on to my right here. That's those, okay. Okay, cool. I still have some raw iron left. Let me go ahead and get that processing then. I have no idea. I mean, it should be sending the buckets here. There's a lot of cooked fish. Good amount of slag, too, looks like. A lot of rice. I don't know what the holdup is on the kelp rolls then. Yeah, I have no idea where the system is putting my buckets. But it's only the buckets. Everything else is, like, extremely fast, so... And... trash can. Oh, Oh, you don't even have to turn it on. Okay. Or activate the pipe or whatever. All right, now on. All right. Automatic ejection, okay. All right, let's go check our cyanite. How much we got? 6. So we burned 2 pieces of uranium to make 2 pieces of cyanide at this point. All right, well, since that's running, me over here. I need a way to get this stuff over into my main system. That'll be like another 100 raw. Okay. Ow. Actually took suffocation damage that time. All right, and you can go into here. If I look up iron, just see raw iron showing up in here in a second. Yep, there we go. I need to teach my system somehow that raw iron will equal a uranium ingot if you process it. Also, what is the holdup on the dough? It should have been done by now, right? Oh, it's because we're processing copper, so it can't. Okay. I'm still working on that copper. That was from a while ago. Oh, we did get it to a decent amount here. I mean, the core is full, so... Yeah, apparently with reinforced, I have to do steam. Or either that, or it's just a function of the fact that I did put fluid ports in this thing, so it thinks it's a steam reactor and will not get power from this guy. That might be it too, so I was like, maybe water's doing good. I was keeping up without a problem, so... And we're just avoiding all the steam right now. Producing just shy of 5 buckets a tick, it looks like. Okay, then. Did I turn off this? I don't think I did, and I probably should for now. Until I can get enough cyanide to build a turbine, that reactor is not producing any power, and yeah. Excavators, we're just gonna drink my entire reserves. I did turn it off. Okay, good. Go ahead and grab the copper then, too. And sulfur dust. There we go. But I think I'm going to go ahead and call this an episode. I'm going to have to let the game run for a while. And so we can build up cyanite. Because if I want to build a reactor about the same, or a turbine about the same size as my reactor, which I think should be fairly balanced, we are going to need, excuse me, somewhere in the ballpark, probably, I want to say 2.5 stacks of cyanite. So yeah. How much like copper is left? 7,000 left to process. That's why it's taking so long for the dough, because I've got the copper set up to auto export. I didn't realize I had 7,000 copper ingots basically on top of everything else. Oh well, let me go ahead and drop this copper here off in there, and let's put that in there too, I guess. We'll need you. And you need to go in my offhand. I can at least get this kind of prettified a little bit. But thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and until the next one, signing out. Have fun.